Hello everyone, this is my lab 2 for the real-time rendering. First, I'm going to talk about the reflection of the model. And you can see in this scene, I already rendered a teapot with the reflecting lights on its surface. And this is the reflection. Yes. And at the beginning, I need to transfer the texture of the skybox to the fragment. Using the uniform data type, I can successfully transfer the texture ID of the skybox for the shader to use. In my turn, I transfer this data type, I mean the texture ID for the of the skybox to the fragment shader to use. And yes, and using the reflect function from the OpenGL can help us get the texture color, I mean the reflection color we want. But the function required the incident vector and the normal vector from the surface. And using these parameters, we can get the reflection we want. Secondly is the part of the refraction. Because I assume that my model is made of glass, and the process is the light goes through the air to the glass, so we have to do the calculation to get these parameters, which is necessary to use in the refract function provided by the OpenGL. And after that, we can get the reflected texture on our model. Third is the Fresnel ratio I want to talk about, because I'm actually really inspired by the formula above to accomplish the process of my function. Yes, and you can see in my model there are some reflected lights on it, and it is actually refraction. You can know that. You see, and yes, I'm going to show the fragment shader and the calculating process. Yes, it's actually the same formula from the dissertation here. And using this function, I can get a Fresnel vector I want. Then I can use the linear interpolate to get the texture on the object, chromatic dispersion. And because this phenomenon is basically affect the part of the refraction, so when I am doing the calculation, I have to separate the three channels of the refraction, like processing with RGB three channels separately, and add them together using the vector. You see here, using VEC3 to combine them with each other, and then I can get the chromatic dispersion. And this process actually is similar to the refraction. Same parameters, but we do the RGB separately, and that's the differences. So after that, I can get the refract color in it, and using the Fresnel factor to get using the linear interpolate to get the texture I want on the object. And this final this chromatic dispersion is actually the combination of the first three model. So yes, and I will show you the overview of my four models, and this is the end of my lab. Thank you for watching.